Cordial greeting to term partners. My name is Camila Arana Carvajal. I am in 10th semester in a bachelor degree in English as a foreign language in UNAD, and this is my video about my Tax 6 final evaluation in Advanced English 1. So I choose a Bible because I consider this is so important for me. I bought that book when I was 17, and I choose it because I consider this book help me to talk with God. When I have a problem, or when I feel lost, when I don't know what decision I should take, or when I feel sad, or when I feel that something is wrong with me, I just try to pray and try to talk with God. And then I start to read the Bible, because I think and I feel that this is the voice of God, and I can hear His voice and I can feel how He is telling me something. Maybe for any person is so crazy, or maybe any person could think that this is stupid, but for me so especially so important, also because he's so cute, and I consider all the trove and the images that we can find here are so especially are so funny. And I choose this book and this object because this object represents everything in my spiritual life or a spiritual environment and my relationship with God. So thank you for hearing me, and bye bye.